Imagine if Yamaha decided to bring back the iconic XT500 for the modern era, combining its timeless design with today's adventure bike technology. That bold concept became reality through one of the most impressive custom motorcycle projects of 2026. Created by Portuguese builder Holy Moly Co, this unique machine starts life as a Yamaha Ténéré 700 before being completely transformed into a retro-inspired adventure bike that pays tribute to the legendary XT500 without sacrificing modern performance. The motorcycle was officially unveiled at the famous Bike Shed London show, where its nostalgic styling and high-quality craftsmanship quickly made it one of the event's biggest attractions. Rather than building another Dakar-style adventure bike, Holy Moly pursued a different vision. The team wanted to answer a simple question. What would Yamaha's original XT500 look like if it were designed and built from scratch in 2026, using the proven Ténéré 700 as its foundation? That idea required a complete redesign of the bike's appearance. Almost every exterior component was replaced, including a beautifully sculpted retro fuel tank, slim side covers, a flat vintage-inspired seat, and a classic round LED headlight surrounded by a protective steel frame. Finished in a white and black livery with custom XT700 graphics, the motorcycle perfectly captures the character of Yamaha's classic trail bikes. The transformation goes far beyond cosmetic upgrades. Working closely with Yamaha Portugal and renowned Yamaha specialist Keto, Holy Moly developed the conversion so it could be installed without permanently modifying the original motorcycle. No cutting, welding, or drilling is required, allowing the bike to be returned to standard specification whenever desired. The performance matches the impressive appearance. Thanks to a lighter overall build and a tuned CP2 parallel twin engine producing approximately 85 horsepower, the custom XT700 delivers even stronger performance than the standard model. Tractive suspension, custom Hahn wheels with XL rims, and aggressive off-road tires further enhance its capability on rough terrain. Although this stunning creation began as a one-off project, Holy Moly plans to produce just 10 individually numbered motorcycles. Buyers will also have the opportunity to personalize colors and selected details, ensuring every example is truly one of a kind. Would you choose this modern XT700 tribute over the standard Yamaha Ténéré 700? Share your opinion in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more motorcycle news and custom bike stories from around the world.